So you're the police chief?
Police department, yeah.
This idiot, he was going too fast. Shut up, or I'll put you out of your misery right now.
I don't think I can get in there. At least I got traffic diversion. He's got a little bit of blood hanging from the head. Other than that, I'm trying to keep him calm.
Yeah. Hey, I'm sorry, sir. Did you see what happened?
Yes, these guys, sorry, my English is not good, but I try to explain to you.
Sure.
These guys coming from all the way.
The guy in the Buick.
Yeah, and he fast, speed sometime, and he this guy.
Was this guy in the black car speeding or something?
Yeah.
I don't know! What the f***? This is not needed to me! What the f*** is this all about?
When a police officer becomes the suspect, the same laws he once enforced now govern his arrest. Whether those laws are applied equally or bend under the weight of a badge is the question this footage raises.
Is this guy drunk or what?
He might have a head injury, to be honest with you. I'm not sure. I can't get in
The way
there.
he's rattling himself.
Yeah. Can I get a couple other for traffic control?
Are you okay?
Appreciate it.
Are you okay? Let me go!
He's got a hand injury. That's why he's yelling and screaming like that.
Come on!
Other than that, I don't know if he's been drinking or...
Yeah.
It's hard to tell.
Okay, here we go! Come
surprise
on!
him. Yeah, he came and hit that center median.
525.
Come on!
We were all sitting in line for
Go
traffic.
now!
Behind him or something?
The red car, that's mine.
Yeah.
I'm sitting in traffic and he comes down this way, hits this thing, and then the whole car just
Hey,
flips
come
over
on!
like this.
What the f***?
Larry,
Why can't you
relax,
go?
just relax, will ya?
Come on! Let me go!
Larry, just relax.
It's not let me
Larry,
go!
Larry, just relax. It's really hard to tell somebody with a head injury to relax.
Yeah, I gotcha.
Go! Let's go!
Larry.
Let me go!
525 Justice. Advise the FD they got to come 79th Street from 88th Avenue in opposite lane.
Come on! You! Let's go! Let me f***ing go!
We have the keys, man?
Yeah.
He's got him on his lap.
Come on!
I can't tell if it's an arc. I can't see if he's got an injury or what.
He's got blood on his face. I don't know if that was from probably the airbag.
Yeah, maybe.
You! Let me go! Let's go!
Can't tell if he's drunk. He's got a head injury. What the deal is? That's what he's saying.
Come on! You! Let's go! Let me f***ing go! Come on! You!
Dude, calm down.
Go!
Calm down. Calm down.
Let me f***ing go!
Okay, all right, calm down.
Then make
Dude,
me
okay,
go!
calm down. Relax.
You know what? I'm the.
Okay.
You know what? I'm the cop in Bridgeview.
Okay.
Don't do that.
Okay, stop.
Yeah, come on. No, come on.
You got 32? What? Does he have a 32 on him? I don't know. You have a gun on you?
Yeah, I do. Come on, let me
Claiming he
go.
does. Obviously, I can't get in there. I don't know if he's got a head injury. I don't know
He's a
what.
village employee, and his name's Walter Klimek, and he's got blood hanging off his. Okay, and he's swearing and all that.
Larry, how are you?
I think it's that Klimek. I think he's wasted, or he's got, or both. He has a head injury. He's combative, and I don't know if he has 32 on him. And suppose he was going westbound, smashing into this, and it says he's a copper.
He's retired. He's a retired chief.
Is your car in park, sir?
No, you guys are awesome. You guys are good. You guys are good. Let me go through. You guys are good. All right, thank you very much.
Dude, you gotta get out of the car, Klimek.
Let me go very much. Come on.
Larry, don't give these guys a hard time. Don't give them a hard time, all right?
You guys are great.
Don't give them, yeah, don't give them a hard time.
No, you guys are great.
Is that Wally?
His name is Larry
Fine now.
Klimek.
That's not Wally, is it?
Or it could be Wally.
It is Wally.
Oh, it is. Okay. What department does he work in?
Why are you
He
getting so
doesn't.
upset?
He's retired.
It's an airbag.
Oh, well, he's got a Bridgeview. He's got a shirt that says Bridgeview on, like a patch on it.
506 Justice. Can you put me in touch with the watch commander from Bridgeview? We got the involved party claiming to be the chief of police in Bridgeview, and he's possibly 1095. What's the drinking? I forgot. 55. 55, Justice. 55. 1055.
Wally. His name's Wally.
Wally, the fire department's here to help you.
Yeah, just make sure you're getting everything. Just record it.
Wally Klimek. I was the chief of police in Bridgeview.
Oh, that's what he was.
That makes it even.
What the?
Just relax, Wally.
I know because you guys are all awesome.
I mean, I've seen head injuries, but nothing like this. I mean,
You know what?
well, you just leave that on there, really. I didn't smell any alcohol on him, so I really can't tell.
Come on. Let me go this way. Come on, guys. You guys are awesome. That's cool.
I can't let you drive right now.
Why can't you let me drive?
Well, one, because the car is not going to move.
He's a retired
Two, because you're not answering.
Yeah, I know who he is.
Just let me go by. Just let me go.
Well, I think it's in your best interest to go to the hospital.
I think that should be mandated, right? Considering.
That thing.
That's the ambulance. That's the ambulance. That's
Cam.
Hey, what's up, bud? He crashed. He's refusing to get out of the car. He's screaming at all the paramedics. It's a two-lane road because of the construction, so he's completely bogged down the entire 79th Street. He's claiming to be the chief of police for Bridgeview. He's got a shirt on, Bridgeview shirt on. Okay, no problem.
Get the out of there.
Wally, you gotta have to get out of the car, my man. Dude, don't make this harder than it has to be, please.
Get this bullshit.
Wally.
Oh, that's the airbag.
Who the put that in there?
What's the make of your car?
Wally, you have to get out of the car.
Tell him, get the out of here.
No, you're going in there.
Obviously,
So
get the out of here.
You want to walk over there? Or
Wally.
you want us to bring the stretcher over?
Get out of the car.
Still got the seatbelt on.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, we're not getting it from the other side.
Wally, get out of the car, my man.
Well, you got to get out of the car.
Are they bringing in a stretcher? Or? You guys bringing a stretcher? Yes,
They're putting the restraints on right now.
Come on, tell them, get the out of here.
We don't want to take any chances.
Come on, Wally. You ready? Come on, bud. You gotta get out.
You gotta get out.
I'm waiting for him. It's Woody.
What's that?
Well, you're right, sir. Let's go.
What the is this?
Wally, come on, bud.
You know what? Come on, get the out of here.
All right, well, we're gonna have to get out, man.
Oh, what are you doing back here? You know what? What are you doing back here in my arm?
Wally, come on.
Come on, you gotta come out of the car.
You got a seatbelt cutter?
Hey, I just pulled it off.
Oh, it's off?
I undid it, so it should be
Come on,
good.
Wally, let's go.
You're gonna have to hop out of the car, man.
Come on. Let's go. Wally, come on, bud.
Come on, you know what? I want the chief of police in Bridgeview.
you're not.
Why you do this to me?
No, you're not. Come on.
All right, you gotta hop out of the car.
You know what?
Wally, let's go. Wally, come on.
Why you do this to
Wally,
what?
you're embarrassing yourself. Come on.
What?
Okay.
You're embarrassing yourself. Come on.
You know what? Don't do it to my
Wally.
arm.
Wally, let's go.
You know, just leave me alone.
If you want to keep...
You know what?
Hey.
Get him the out of here.
If you want to keep any
What?
part of your career left, get out of the car nice. Now. If you want to have a job still tomorrow, get out of the car nice.
You know what?
Let's go.
You know what? Leave
Wally.
me alone.
Let's go.
You have to hop out of the car, Wally.
Get him the out of here.
Let's go, Wally.
No, get him out of here. No.
Wally, let's go.
No,
Stop
stop.
fighting.
No, Wally.
Stop fighting.
Ow! Stop
Wally,
doing that to me.
Wally.
No, stop doing that to me.
Wally, out of the car, my man.
I know, but
Let's
stop,
go.
stop doing that to me.
Wally, come on.
Put your feet out.
Ow!
Wally, come on.
Stop doing that to. Ow!
Let's go. Wally.
No.
Wally, stop resisting. Let's go.
Stop.
Let's
Ow!
stop resisting, Wally. Come on. Wally, let's go. All right, you sleep.
Ow!
Wally, let's
Come
go.
on, guys.
Come on.
Let's go.
You guys hurt me a lot.
We're trying to pull you out.
No, you guys hurt me.
We're not playing games no more. Let's go.
I know, but don't hurt me.
All right, then get out.
Get out.
I know, but
We don't want to
please
have to do this.
don't hurt me.
We're not hurting you, Wally.
I
We're
know.
trying to get you
No,
out of
you
the car.
did.
Let's go.
Okay, guys, come on. No, you guys are my buddies.
I know, then let's go.
Then let's
I know,
go.
but don't do that. Stop.
Wally, let's
Take
go.
your
hands off the
Take your hands
Okay,
off
come
the
on,
steering
guys. I'm sorry.
Let's-
No, come
Wally,
on.
come on.
Ow! Stop.
wheel. Wally,
No.
Wally, come on.
Ow!
Wally, come on.
Get that arm.
Feel it.
Guys.
We're out. Okay, we're out.
Oh, guys.
All we wanted, man, is
I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry.
You're just gonna get checked out. You're getting
All right.
checked out.
We asked you to get out of the car how many times, right?
What?
How many times we asked you to get out of the car?
You guys hurt me.
All right, well, get up now.
Hurt yourself.
Okay, hop up. To be a grown adult now.
Get up.
You guys hurt me. I'm sorry.
Get up.
Come on.
How much you had to drink tonight, Wally?
No, not today. No, not today.
Okay, how much you had to drink the last hour?
79th Street, 87 Amsterdam.
Ow!
Ow, what?
Guys, I'm sorry.
Okay, well, get up. Come on.
Wait. Oh my God. Ow! Come on, guys.
Just checking for that 32.
Oh, open the
I'm
car.
sorry. Come on, guys. Come on, guys.
Yeah.
You're my awesome guy. Ow!
Hey, stop.
Ow! You're f***ing hurting me.
Well, then quit resisting.
What?
Stop
You're
resisting.
hurting me.
Oh, well, quit resisting.
You want to do who?
Ow!
I'm big too.
So, can you do the
I'm
crash?
sorry,
and then
guys.
Just follow the hospital.
Okay, you know what?
Okay.
Whoa. That's my f***ing car.
I don't have one though.
What'd the witness say, Murph?
He was driving like fast, coming this way, hit this like end, and then rolled into him.
After obtaining a search warrant for his blood and being released from the hospital more than 4 hours later, Wally still isn't fully cooperative.
Mr. Walter, you ready? Come on. You need help?
Yeah.
Okay, I got you.
Where are we going?
Over here, right through this door right here. You're gonna be in and out, okay? If you gotta fingerprint you, give you your citations, and I'll give you a ride home, okay? All right, I'm gonna take your handcuffs off, okay?
You understand your vehicle was towed, right?
What?
Your vehicle was towed because you were in a car accident.
My vehicle's what?
It was towed.
Towed?
Yeah.
No, it's not towed.
Well, yes, it was. I'm telling you.
It's not
Okay.
towed.
This is gonna be.
Was it towed by you?
Listen to what I'm trying to tell
Well,
you.
it wasn't towed.
It was told he was involved in an accident.
No, 'cause
You crashed into another car.
I pulled-
You've been drinking.
No, 'cause
Okay.
I pulled by. No, I pulled by you guys.
Sir, I'm explaining
It
this
was
to you,
not
okay?
towed.
This is gonna be your cite and release. You have a court date, okay?
For what?
For DUI. Okay.
What do you mean a DUI?
I'm explaining to you what this is. Stop getting upset, okay?
What do you mean a DUI?
That's what the officer charged you with.
I'm not
The
drunk.
arresting officer charged you with a DUI, okay? And these are going to be your citations, okay? Failure to reduce speed, to avoid a crash, driving under the influence, improper traffic lane usage. So you're going to have 3 citations, and this is going to be your court date, okay? I need your signature here.
I'm not going. I'm not drunk. I came for work
Listen.
by you. I came by work by you guys.
Okay. You want to get out from here, or you want to stay in here? If you want to get out, sign here, okay?
Yeah, because
Okay, then.
I came from you. I came from work by you guys.
Okay,
I'm not drunk.
You can argue that in court.
Yeah, I'm
okay?
not drunk.
Okay, so then you can argue that in court.
Yeah.
Here you go.
So I'm not signing anything.
That's just a promise you're going to go to court.
I'm not going to court because
Okay.
I came from them when I was working, and I came. I came by you guys. Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to give you a ride back home, okay?
What?
I'm going to give you a ride back home.
But what about my car?
Your car was towed. It was involved in an accident. It's not drivable.
My car wasn't involved in an accident. What?
Okay,
Your car wasn't involved in it. I pulled in by you guys. Let's go back to your place and see if it's there.
I'm telling you, we towed your vehicle. The officer who arrested you towed
Why
your
was it
vehicle.
towed?
You can, if you want to talk to a sergeant, you can, and he can explain it to you.
But why was it towed by you?
I'm just repeating myself now at this point.
I didn't get it. I didn't get in an accident by your house, by your building. No.
Do you want a ride home, or are you going to call somebody to come get you?
I'm sorry?
Or do you want a ride home, or is somebody going to come get you?
So obviously he said he's going to drive me home, but I don't know why my car...
You have keys for your house here. Your wallet and everything is here.
Follow me. Grab your keys, grab your wallet, and grab your insurance card.
See?
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me see that. Let me see.
Police department, you know?
So you're the police chief? Grab here.
What is that?
Your insurance card. Come on, follow me.
3 statutes, 2 constitutional amendments, 1 statement on camera that may expose an entire department to federal liability. The law does not wait for rank. A threatening statement made by an officer on Bodycam creates potential exposure under 42 USC, Section 1983, the federal statute that prohibits deprivation of clearly established constitutional rights under color of state law, under Graham v. Connor, 1989. Force is judged not by outcome, but by the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of application, evaluating offense severity, immediacy of threat, and degree of active resistance. Physical removal from a vehicle is a Fourth Amendment seizure subject to this same standard, when traumatic brain injury symptoms are clinically indistinguishable from acute intoxication. Officers must document both etiologies separately under 625 ILCS 511-501. Merging the two creates a gap that defense will use to challenge the DUI charge directly. Illinois 625 ILCS 511-501-2 establishes implied consent. Any person operating a motor vehicle on public roads has already consented to chemical testing upon lawful DUI arrest. Refusal does not void the arrest. It shifts the burden to a warrant. Missouri v. McNeely, 2013, resolved the warrantless blood draw question. Alcohol dissipating in the bloodstream is not, by itself, an exigent circumstance. A judicial warrant is constitutionally required before any compelled blood draw. A 4-hour interval between arrest and blood draw compromises retrograde BAC extrapolation. Courts have excluded BAC evidence where the time gap prevents reliable reconstruction of blood alcohol level at the time of driving, under 720 ILCS 5/3111. Resisting a peace officer requires knowing resistance to an authorized act. Sustained physical refusal to exit a vehicle during a lawful DUI investigation satisfies the knowingly element and is documented on camera. The 14th Amendment requires equal protection. Any deviation in procedure based on a subject's former title, whether favorable or not, constitutes a constitutional defect that can be raised in post-conviction proceedings. Key lesson: a warrant obtained before a compelled blood draw is the only path that survives Fourth Amendment review after McNeely. Without that warrant, the entire blood result becomes suppressible, and the primary DUI charge may not survive to trial. The warrant was obtained. The blood was drawn. 4 hours had passed since the crash. What the results showed, and whether they were sufficient to sustain a conviction, has not been publicly disclosed. The officer whose statement appears on camera has not been publicly identified. The charges remain unresolved, and a 37-year law enforcement career now sits inside a criminal court file. Whether the law holds equally in this case is still an open question.